Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a baby registry as well as a wedding registry to be able to obtain free gift items from Amazon visitors and customers. It's a very easy process if only you're going to follow it carefully. I would advise that you follow this tutorial carefully from the beginning to the end, and then at the end of this you should be able to create your own registry and then expect some gift items as well as gift cards from Amazon visitors. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. But before then, please kindly subscribe to this channel so we can be providing more videos of training for you to get some free stuffs online. All right, just smash the subscribe button and then like this video. If you have any issue concerning this tutorial, please just leave a comment below, and we're going to answer you as soon as possible. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on the description below. I'm going to drop a link there. You're going to see baby registry, and then there's a link. So click on that link. If you click on that link, that's where we're going to start. Remember, after that, when we're done with the baby registry, you're going to go back to click on the second link, which is for the wedding registry. So let's start with the baby registry. Click on the baby registry link and then let's get started. Okay, so if you click on the baby registry, it's going to bring you to a landing page, which is here. Now when you click on that link, it's going to bring you to the Amazon page where you're going to have create baby registry. But if you're not an Amazon user, you cannot proceed from there. So you need to create an Amazon account. So I'm going to take you through the process of creating an Amazon account. Click on that create baby registry. All right, so if you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Now this is where we create the Amazon account. Okay, so it's going to ask you to sign in or create a new account. So if you're new, if you do not have Amazon account, click on create new account, and then it's going to ask you for your information. Please fill this form correctly. Use your first name and your last name, and then provide your email address. Okay, so when you're done this, it's going to ask for a mobile number. Please ensure that you use your mobile number. Click on where you have the US and then change it from US to any country you are. If you're in the US, you just add your number. If you're not in the US, change it to the country where you are, and then you continue. When you're done with that, you click on verify my phone number. Okay, it's going to take you to the next page, which is you're going to solve a puzzle. That's if it doesn't ask for okay, it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to solve a puzzle, and that's if you're not sent an OTP. So you could also get an OTP. If you have it, you can input your OTP. If not, let's proceed. So it takes you to where you're going to solve the puzzle. You click on solve puzzle. All right, and then it's going to come up with a puzzle for you to solve. Your puzzle may be different from mine, so I'm not really going to talk about the puzzle aspect because it differs. Okay, so we go to the next. When you're done with the puzzle, it's going to take you to the next page where you can have an OTP depending on your country. Okay, some other platforms, some persons may not have the OTP. All right, so it's now bringing you back to baby registry. Now for those of you who already have an Amazon account, you're not going to go through the first process. You're just going to find yourself on this page where you have baby registry, so you can start filling the form. Please provide your first name. The first one is for first name, the second one is for last name, and then you also have baby arrival date. Now baby arrival date is a day where your baby is going to be delivered. When is your EDD, the date you are expecting the baby to come to be born? So you input the date, and then be sure of the date you're fixing. And then it's going to ask you, okay, if that's your first child or not. So you're going to answer if that's your first child, and then it's going to ask for an address. So you input your home address where you can receive gift items, where deliveries can be made. through courier service or whatever, however you get your deliveries, your mailing address. So you input your address there, and then you proceed. And it's also going to ask for some other options there, which I'm sure. Okay, so please ensure that mine may be pretty different from yours, so ensure that you input your country of residence, so you can be able to fill in the address properly. Because if you're in a different country, the default country is the US. So if you're in a different country and then you're using the US, you're not going to be able to provide all the information that you're required to provide because you are not in the US. Okay, so we can proceed. I'm sure that's going to be very simple for you. So you provide your address, your city where you live, the state, and all that, as well as zip code. Now, if you get to the zip code area, depending on where you are, if you don't know your zip code, you can Google it. It's very simple. Just type the name of where you are and zip code on Google. It's going to show you. For instance, if you are in Johannesburg, South Africa, you can just type Johannesburg zip code. Google is going to show you, so you can pick your zip code there and provide in the box. And when you're done, you click on add address. So your address is going to enter, and then we can proceed. Okay, so after that, I guess we can proceed. Okay, I'm trying to check the next that we have. Like I said, mine may be different from yours, so I'm trying to be very careful. Okay, yeah, okay, it's going to ask you, make this my default address. You can make it your default address, and then okay, add address. All right, so I guess we are good. Allow gifts to be shipped to my address. Yes, please ensure that you check the box allow gift to be shipped to my address, and then register for Amazon gift cards. And then also you check the box where you have register for diaper forms. Okay, so we can proceed, and then make sure that your registry is on public. Please let it be on public. You can check the box that says allow gifting for all gifts over 200. Okay, you can check it. It's optional. You can also leave it, but I prefer you leave it. And then who can see your registry? Ensure that it's on public. So just ensure that your registry is on public, and then let's proceed the next step. Okay, gift alerts when items are purchased. Okay, check the box and also check baby registry email newsletter, and then click on create my registry. Click on create my registry, and there we are. Okay, I guess we are good. So if you're done with that, it's going to bring you to this page where it shows that you have created your baby registry, and then the date of your baby registry and your name is going to appear on top, and then the date of your baby registry is going to appear below. So what we're going to do next is to try to add items to the baby registry. The idea is you just need to pick items that you would want your baby to have, even when you don't have the money to purchase them, and then people are going to support you by purchasing those items for you, and Amazon is going to deliver it to your doorstep. So let's go to Amazon where you have the search bar. Click on the search bar and then type any baby item of your choice. Okay, so it's your choice to pick what you want. So you type any baby item of your choice. For now, I use this, and then I'm seeing the options of Pampers. Okay, so now if the item appears, okay, any item of your choice. Okay, so whichever item you want to pick, if it appears, click on it. When you click on it, you scroll down. After clicking on the item, when it appears, you scroll down. You see where you have add to cart. You see where you have buy now. You still scroll down. Now underneath it, you're going to see where you have add to list, add to baby registry, add to registry, and giftings. Now because we are working on baby registry, so we're going to only add to baby registry. So you click on add to baby registry, add that particular item to baby registry. Once you click on it, you'd see a notification like done. Sorry, you see a notification like added. Okay, and then this will automatically change from add to baby registry to view my baby registry. So that's it. And then you are expected to proceed and add as many items as you wish. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just wanted to show you how to add one item. So let's proceed to the wedding registry for those who want to get married, and then you want to fill the wedding registry as well. Let's just proceed. Now that you know how to add to baby registry, let's proceed to wedding registry. Okay, so you're going to click the second link on the description of this video. There's a second link there. I would write wedding registry. The second link is carrying wedding registry. You click on that link, and then it will bring you to this page. Now, when it brings you to this page, the page is telling you to create your registry. So you click on create your registry. When you click on it, it's going to come up with this form for you to fill. It's asking for your first name and your last name. You provide your first name and your last name. And then it's also going to ask for your partner's name, the person you're getting married to. So you also provide the person's name. And next, it's going to ask you for the details of your wedding date. So you're going to pick the month, the day, and the year of your wedding. Once you do that, you click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to take you to the next page where it's asking you target number of audience. Now, how many persons are you expecting in your wedding? So you just pick the number. I don't know how many you're expecting. If you're expecting 100, you're expecting 500, if you're expecting 1000. So you can write it there. Depends on your target number of audience. So you fill it and then you click next. And when we're done with that, preview your name and your address, showing you where your gift items are going to be delivered. And then you confirm that by clicking next. So when you click next, and then we go to the next page, and now it's showing you that your wedding registry has been created. So congratulations, you've created your wedding registry. And then now I just want to talk about a quick thing. This registry you have created, it's going to show you here some details that you can add depending on your audience, your target number of audience. It's showing here that you can add up to 144 items that are within the cost of $0 to $50. And then it also is going to show you how many items you can add between the range of $50 to $100. It will also show you between the range of $100 to $150, and then the last one will be $150 to infinity. So it's just for you to know. So when you're adding items, please don't focus on a particular amount. So just try to spread it so at least people can have options of items to purchase for you. Okay, that's all about that. And then you can now go to the gifts. Okay, now that you've created your wedding registry, you see something like see all gift recommendations. Amazon is trying to recommend some gifts for you, some gift items for you for your wedding registry. So you can click any of them, but if you don't want to, you can still search for items on your own. So you can click on any of these items. Let me just do a preview for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to use this example. I click on see gifts recommended items. So I'm going to click on that first one, the knife, and then when I click on it, it's going to open the image, the details of that item, and then I scroll down. Remember what we did before. Initially, when we wanted to add to baby registry, we clicked on add to baby registry. But for wedding registry, you're not clicking on add to baby registry. This item is not for baby registry, it's for wedding registry. So we're now going to click on add to registry and giftings. So when you click on add to registry and giftings, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to see an option where you can add to wedding registry. You still have your baby registry here, but this is the only option that can take you to, that can bring you to where you can add to wedding registry. So you can add as many items as possible as you wish. That's just it. Go back, search on Amazon, add more to your baby registry, and also add more items to your wedding registry. That's just it. And then you keep praying that a lot of persons will see your registry and also donate to your registry by sending you those gift items that you have picked for them to purchase for you. And I'm sure this video has been helpful to you. If it has been helpful, please kindly just subscribe to my channel. I really like it and I need it for now. And then if there is any part of this video that you do not understand, just drop a comment on the comment section below. I'm going to answer your questions as soon as possible. And as well, give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video for me and hit the subscribe button. If you also want or know someone who's wedding or expecting a baby, I would advise that you share this video. Just share this video so that it can reach a lot of persons who may be in need of this kind of opportunity. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. I'm going to be doing so many other videos. I'm going to be showing you other ways and other things you can do to make money. But for now, let's concentrate on this. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to also use Amazon to make extra income, passive income. So, see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Goodbye.